Hi, this is our presentation for our trip to Sweden. This is Emily. So I'm going to start off with our slogan. It's live it, don't dream it. And then we're going to Sweden. For our acronym, we are doing Stockholm, which is the capital of Sweden. So for the first letter, we have S, and we put sustainable. T, transportation. O, observing new culture. C, civilization. K, krona, which is the type of money that they use. H, habits that people perform on a day-to-day basis. O is oil usage. L is lifestyle, and M is museums and other historical landmarks. We have a couple pictures that we're gonna go throughout this. The first one for sustainable, we have this. Transportation, we'll be taking trains, buses, we'll be walking, and if we have to, probably taking like ferries or boats to like certain places. For observing new cultures, we have a picture of them dancing in traditional outfits. Civilization, I put a bit of the architecture in here, just close-up videos of the buildings in Stockholm. The krona, I added a photo of the krona that they use. You can see the different types of paper bills that they have. I don't believe that they use any coins. The habits that people perform on a day-to-day basis, I've just added a photo here showing what they do, just kind of like a picture of what it's like to walk around in Stockholm. There's a couple shops here, and you can see it looks like there's people living up at the top of the stairs up here. You got a couple lamps, and you can see the architecture in this photo as well. Oil usage, we have an oil rig here in the ocean. Lifestyle, we have another photo of a person in Stockholm walking down the street. Museums and other historical landmarks, we've got a photo here of one of the museums. And then this is the last page. We have the QR code here. And then we have this link to the WBS, so work breakdown structure sheet, and then another photo of Stockholm. So for our 5 W's and 1 H, we are going to do that for the main presentation. But this is kind of like a breakdown of like the 5W, 1H, just kind of like a little rough draft of it. Alright, that's my video.